Hey there, Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies. Today's video is about this issue where people say, I have too many ideas. Oh my God, I've got so many project ideas. I had a puttering session recently with a client of mine from BC, and gosh, I've known her now for over a decade. And she started the call by sharing all of her project ideas that she had. And she spoke for about 20 minutes, rapid fire. I was thinking I could do this, and then this podcast, and I could do this event, I could do this gathering, and I could start this group and this group. And I just listened. And at the end she was like, okay, so that was a lot. Any ideas? I said, yes. And I gave her this exercise, which is the same one I give you if you're just overwhelmed with ideas and all the things you want to do. I said, I want you to divide a piece of paper sort of in a, take it, turn it sideways, landscape, three rows. First row is 2022, second row is 2023, next row is 2024. And now you're going to divide those all into four. That's the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter of each year. And I said, I want you to take those ideas now and plot them out. And she said, oh, like they don't all have to happen this year. Ding, 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 ding. And no, actually, I think I started with 5 years. That's what happened. And she put them all within the first 4. That is how it went. But this is so important. If you're overwhelmed by ideas, part of what you're overwhelmed by is the sense that it all has to happen right away, immediately, within the next 12 months. And that's almost never true. So instead of that, map it out. And so she realized this one, I'm not even going to touch until 3 years from now. And she looked at the year she had, and I said, okay, so now you're looking at that year? Good. I said, I want you to figure out what stuff you can move to 2023 or 2024. She's like, oh, right. She moved some stuff. I said, how do you feel? She said, much better. She just immediately didn't feel so overwhelmed because she wasn't putting the pressure on herself to make it happen immediately. I remember Tony Robbins said something that I just think is so wise. He said, most people overestimate what they can do in a year, but they underestimate what they can do in a decade. That is so true. So you may be overestimating what you can do in this next 12 months, but I promise you, you are probably underestimating what can happen for you with consistent, focused effort over the next decade. So a simple exercise, but it can make a big difference. So that's all. If you want some more help understanding the bigger, broader view of marketing, you might want to check out my Marketing for Hippies starter kit, marketingforhippies.com/starter kit. I'll put the link below. Thanks for everyone being here. If you want to follow me on social media, you can do that on Instagram @marketingforhippies. I've got a lot of good content going up there that isn't on YouTube and doesn't usually show up in my email newsletter either. So take care, everyone.